During your growing up years, you might be told to drink your milk if you want strong bones. That's because milk is a well-known source of calcium, which plays a critical role in bone health. Besides supporting bone development, calcium is needed for healthy teeth, blood clotting, and for your heart muscles and nerves to function correctly. It's no surprise considering 99% of your body's calcium is found in your bones and teeth. As a result, not getting enough calcium can lead to development of osteoporosis and significantly increasing the risk of bone fractures as you age. Our bones and teeth are where the body stores most of its calcium, and smaller amount in your tissues and blood. Your body strives to keep the level of calcium in your body constant. However, if your blood level drops as a result of not eating enough calcium, your bones will release calcium to keep the level stable, which might eventually result in weaker bones. Although there are various calcium supplements in the market, a balanced diet is the most effective approach to maintain calcium levels over a longer period. Making sure you get enough calcium is critical for good health. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in our body, comprising up to 2% of our total body weight, with the average adult having 1200 grams of calcium present in their body. Calcium promotes healthy cell functioning, allows blood to clot, supports optimal muscle contraction, and regulates metabolism. In addition, calcium is crucial for heart health by helping maintain a regular heart rhythm and maintaining healthy blood pressure. The amount of calcium you need varies depending on your age and sex. Adults between the age of 19 and 50 get 1000 milligrams of calcium daily. Men over 51 years and older also require 1000 milligrams, while women of age 51 and up needs 1200 milligrams. Fortunately, you can get all the calcium you need from food. The most common dietary calcium sources include dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese. Less common but still great source of calcium include plant-based sources like leafy greens, beans, and seeds. They also provide a good source of calcium. If you can't get enough calcium from food, supplements are available, but always talk to your healthcare provider before taking any new supplement. Now, let's understand the signs that tell you might have a calcium deficiency. A hallmark sign of calcium deficiency is an overall loss of bone health. If you don't consume enough calcium, your body will leach calcium from your bones and teeth to maintain adequate calcium levels in the blood. Calcium deficiency can cause bone weakness and frailty if left unchecked, dramatically increasing your fracture risk and chances of osteoporosis. Not only do bones lose strength as we age, but our body also gets worse at absorbing the calcium we eat. Fragile bones may result in more falls such as ups and downs the stairs or in and out of the shower. In addition, long-term calcium deficiency in adults can lead to osteoporosis, meaning that your bones are more porous, making them more susceptible to long-term damage and breakage. Lacking healthy amount of calcium can result in fatigue, but this isn't your run-of-the-mill tiredness. It's a persistent state of low energy and feeling weak. Hypocalcemia symptoms tend to be less obvious and more long-term than other nutrient deficiency. As you begin to develop a calcium deficiency, you may not notice that you are losing strength or have difficulty performing everyday tasks, as this can easily be confused for fatigue related to a variety of other factors such as energy levels, sleep quality, physical activity levels, or overall nutrition. Fatigue associated with hypocalcemia is characterized by brain fog, dizziness, lightheadedness, confusion, and difficulty focusing. Since your muscle, fibers, and nerves require calcium, not having enough of this vital mineral depletes cells of their calcium source, causing exhaustion and lethargy. A significant sign of calcium deficiency are muscle cramps and muscle spasms. As symptoms worsen over time, muscle cramps become increasingly common, especially in the back of your lower legs, and you may develop stiff, achy muscles. That's because calcium is required to help muscle contract and relax. When your muscles are deprived of calcium, neurons become unstable and fire spontaneously, which can trigger painful muscle contractions. Everything you eat and drink produces bacteria in your mouth, which degrades minerals in your teeth. Having sufficient amount of calcium can help prevent such mineral loss. Without adequate calcium levels, your teeth are depleted of minerals essential for keeping them strong and healthy. What's more concerning is that calcium deficiency can lead to periodontal disease, which is the inflammation of your gums and bones surrounding your teeth, which has been linked to cancer. Calcium plays a significant role in heart health. For example, an irregular heartbeat is a common sign of inadequate calcium levels in your blood and is a leading cause of sudden cardiac deaths. That's because the heart is a muscle, and when its cells don't receive enough calcium, they cease to function properly and can cause spasming of heart muscle. Furthermore, your blood vessels become constricted when calcium levels are low, resulting in an irregular heart rhythm. Calcium is needed for several vital body functions, from strong bones to heart health. You can avoid deficiency by eating calcium-rich foods or taking a high-quality calcium supplement. Here are 5 common foods that you can include in your diet. Milk is one of the best sources of calcium we all know. Milk is easily absorbable and digestible, that is available every time. 1 cup of cow's milk has 276 to 352 milligrams of calcium, depending on whether it's a whole or non-fat milk. Goat milk is also a rich source of calcium, providing 327 milligrams per cup. Additionally, milk is a good source of protein, vitamin A and vitamin D. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are rich in calcium, such as chia seeds and poppy seeds. It also contains essential fatty acids and proteins that make your bone and overall health healthy. Chia seeds contain boron that promotes the growth of bones. It helps the body to metabolize calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Almonds are a rich source of calcium, fatty acids, vitamin E, antioxidants, and protein. They help to strengthen your bones, keep your heart healthy, and improve memory power. Just 1 cup of whole almonds contain 385 milligrams of calcium, which is more than 1/3 of the recommended daily amount. We all know beans and lentils are high in fibers, proteins, and other nutrients, but some are rich in calcium too. Beans and lentils like soya beans, green beans, red millets, and peas contain enough calcium that you should never out on calcium requirement. Leafy green vegetables are incredibly healthy and many of them are high in calcium. Leafy vegetables like spinach are high in oxalates, which are naturally occurring compounds that bind to calcium and impair its absorption. If you are concerned about your calcium levels, talk to your healthcare provider about taking a blood test to check your calcium levels. You can also speak with a registered dietitian about your strategies for increasing your calcium intake. Ultimately, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure when it comes to calcium deficiency. The best way to prevent a calcium deficiency is to add calcium-rich foods to your diet. To cover your needs, try eating high calcium foods at every meal. Almond milk, yogurt, cheese, dark leafy greens, and calcium-fortified foods are great sources of calcium. That's it for today. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And for more such health-related information, subscribe to my channel. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you at RiVaa Foodz in the next video.